Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Rachel and welcome to my little corner of the internet. So I recently went to Phuket and I brought back some snacks. So when I was planning my trip, I didn't have any itinerary planned. Two things that I wanted to do, that was, first was just lay at the beach, second was go to 7-Elevens, and I'm not even kidding. It was one of the best experiences. I know it must be sounding like, oh, what is it? It's just a convenience store, guys. I'm a snacker. It was my haven. Like, it was in for me. Like, so huge and so tempting. And I found this other 7-Eleven kind of a store as well. It was called the Top Shop, if I'm not wrong. And the best and the worst part was, it was like right beside my hotel that I was staying at. So, and of course, I went crazy. Like, you could get so much there, like makeup, skincare, food, ready to cook food. Like, it's a convenience store, right? So it is supposed to make your life easy, and that's what it exactly does. Every day I went to these stores at least 4 times a day and night. Like, they were open 24/7, so that was also the best part. It was just so tempting, like I couldn't stop. I have watched so many videos of these stores, people just going to like trips and just going to 7-Elevens and going crazy. And that's exactly what happened with me. Like, I went crazy, I went nuts. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm very ready. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the little treats, I guess. This is called the sugar-free Play More. Honestly, I just bought this for the packaging. Oh, smells like grapes. Let's just try this at the end because I think it's mouth freshener kind of a thing. Okay, let's start with this. There were so many things Milo and matcha flavored, because I think they are very big on matcha. That I knew. I didn't know that there will be like so many things Milo. Wow. These are called the Milo nuggets in the mocha flavor from Nestle. And wow, this tastes very good. It's called the Bigga. And honestly, I just bought this because the packaging was so cute. Oh, it has stickers. Wow, it has stickers, guys. And look at the packaging. So, anything Tom and Jerry, I think I would buy. Oh, wow, smells so good. I like Pockies, but like strawberry flavors. Wow. Wow. It's so good. You know how this tastes like? This tastes like bites, like the Cadbury bites we used to get. Wow, this tastes exactly like that, the strawberry flavor wala. These are like 3D stickers. I'm gonna put them on my iPad. Next. Okay, this one. So, not gonna lie, I already ate like 5 of these when I was there. This used to be my late night snack. Like, every time I wanted something sweet after my dinner, I would just pop one of these. That did not just happen. You bought scissors. Use them. We are just going to ignore that. What just happened? One of your favorite snacks. Moving on. Care Bears. So cute. It's like a cookie, I think. It's melting. So it's been a long time since I've gotten back. Almost like 20 days. And I was supposed to film this video, so I didn't try any of these. Oh, It's like a chocolate coated cookie. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That's very nice. Need water. It's like the perfect balance. The cookie is not too sweet, but the chocolate is very chocolatey. Let's try something tangy. Okay. This is Amira Makam or Amira Makam. I don't know. Basically, it's just imli. And Indians, we love imli. We love khatta meetha thing. Oh, these toffees. Taste is tastes exactly like fresh imli. This tastes like there was Hajmola candy, but so much better. Very yummy. We have these strawberry cheese biscuits. Okay, so I'm somebody who loves cheese crackers. Okay, love. Oh, it smells like weirdly. It smells like ooh. So yeah, let's try. Jam. Tastes like regular jam with cheese. The jam was too sweet for me. Oh, I was so excited for this one. This is Pocky, but choco banana flavor. And I love chocolate and I love bananas. So this was really tempting and I was like, yes, give it to me. I love Pocky, by the way. Very yummy. You know how this tastes like? So at the 7-Eleven store, there was this one drink. It was called, I don't remember what it was called, but it was like a banana milk. This tastes exactly like that. I love this. It's very good. Definitely would buy if I get it here. Okay, let's try this. Called O-Piff Shake. Do I need to shake it? Oh, yeah. I'm supposed to eat this with milk, but as well. So cute. See, this is so cute. This is like in this cutest pink color. And we've gotten something with it. Where did I keep it? Milky strawberry powder. Get this with this inside. Let me put it. Tastes like milk powder. Tastes like strawberry milk. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, guys. Next is the White Rabbit. Do you guys remember this? When like in childhood we used to get these are like milk candies, very chewable and it just tastes like pure milk. So good. This used to be my drug when I don't think we get these anymore in India, but when I saw these there, I was like, what? White Rabbits? So excited. Oh, so good. बचपन की याद आ गई. बहुत मीठा हो गया. Play more cola tape. And if you know me, you should know that anything cola I would buy. I think these are like the sour patches. That's bougie. You're supposed to open it like that. Wow. Am I supposed to lick it? Wow. Tastes like I'm chewing on cola. Like, you know how you eat Coca-Cola wali ice? Actually tastes better than Coca-Cola, it says. Very good. We had Kopiko and I was so excited again. Just like I saw White Rabbit, I saw this one and I was like, wow. Even though we still get Kopiko here, but I was like, let's just try if it tastes better. It does taste better. Next, let's try. There was this thing called Franzi or Franzi, I don't know. Everything they had in like matcha flavor. They had Kit Kat in matcha flavor. which is this one. Oh no, this is Milo flavor. This is also green, so I thought this is the matcha one. I wanted to get the matcha one. And these are like matcha chocolate flavored cookies. Mmm, so soft. Mmm. Mmm. It's very yum. Like the biscuit here, the cookie is so soft, like it melts in your mouth. It's very good. It's just that the matcha flavor is really strong. So if you're somebody who doesn't like matcha, I don't think you'll like it. No, I think you'll like it because the matcha flavor is strong, but it's very tasty. Like, you know how when you drink matcha, it has that weird aftertaste which you get used to after a while. This doesn't have any bitter or weird aftertaste. I think it also has coconut. I can smell the coconut. आनी चाहिए. मेरे को बहुत sugar होने वाली है guys. We left with like 2 things. So dairy milk. This is the normal dairy milk, but I got this one because I wanted to see. For some reason, the dairy milk we get here now does not taste like the dairy milk we used to get when we were kids. We used to love dairy milk. Now dairy milk here just tastes like sugar. So I just wanted to see if their dairy milk tastes like the old OG dairy milk. Guys, this tastes like old dairy milk. It's the Milo Kit Kat. This tastes very good. The combination tastes very good. Very good, yeah. Okay, that was the end. Oh no, we are left with this. I don't like it. That's kadwa. Tastes like dawai. Grape ka flavor is too strong. It's too cooling. I don't like it. Okay, that was it for my Thailand snacks haul. Oh, I also got this top from there. This top. So I got this because I found this really cute. And apart from this, I didn't get much clothing things from there, and I managed to get this one. It's called the Cathy Doll Vitamin C Water Tint in the shade 05 Cherry, and I'm gonna put a short video review for this one. That was it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel. I would really take that into consideration and make something out of it. See you in the next one. Bye.